Okay, so we're in just one of the many pavilions here. This is Pavilion N9, and some of the big names are here. Look, Narada. So Narada, I think I really started with Narada batteries. They were my first port of call when I was doing lead acid. But of course, I'm sure they've moved on. They're doing a lot more tech now. So I might have a chat to Narada in a little bit. But this is just kind of a get to know the place. There's so many stackable inverters these days. Just check them out. Stackable batteries with inverters have become the norm for residential applications. And we see them everywhere because they work. They work so well. They're just an excellent example of what you need to do to get an inverter and a battery into a home. It's a really popular design, and as a result, these things are everywhere. So hats off to the first person to design a stackable battery. Oh, check it out. So this is the bus. Look, there's the Fox ESS sponsored minibus. How cool is that? Because this place is big. To get around this place, you really do need a shuttle bus. Looks like it's pretty popular too. So let's have a look in N. We're just going over to N2. N2's quite a big deal. And this is part of the permanent facilities here. And this is where my friends from Fox ESS are here. Wow, so looking forward to catching up with them. And now we're getting to some of the solar companies. JA Solar, really powerhouse in the solar panel industry. Wow. Now this is quiet. I don't even know if it actually opened yet. I think it's just getting going. But yeah, so so we're gonna have a bit of a look around here, and solar panel cleaning, that's the thing. Look at that, check it out, solar panel cleaning machines, trackers, wow. And there's so many people here. Yeah. So JA Solar, the booths here are just enormous. It's incredible, the scale of things. Oh, there, I like these ones. These batteries are on wheels, so you can wheel them around. Of course, you always got to take your battery with you. Empowering the world. Wow, it's so noisy. It's just amazing, the intensity of this place. I'm getting a lot of looks. I'm the odd one out here. Not many gold chains in this place. G'day, mate. So everyone's making content. I think I might be the only YouTuber here though. We'll see. Top one, Rixon, LED lighting, HV solar, FX power. Someone's got something caught on their shoe there. Wow, there's a lot of security here. It's impressive. You know, people get a bit excited with solar, so got to watch out. Now, a lot of these brands, oh, here's Huawei. All right, so we're passing Huawei. Awesome inverters. I've got their 29.9 in Australia and their 5 kilowatt hybrid. Really would love to see more of their product in the Australian market. They're just a fantastic inverter manufacturer. Of course, with a telecommunication background, their comms are amazing as well. So it's a really well-designed product. So, glass panels, and what do we got here? Lifters, things for lifting things. You realise that what we see in Australia is actually a very small part of the market in terms of the manufacturing of renewable products, whether it's solar panels or inverters. This is where it's at. This is the epicenter of solar production, is right here in China. It is the number one place for manufacture of solar inverters, battery systems, PV modules, smart energy devices. It's all here. So you wouldn't believe it that we haven't actually even started yet. Some of the companies haven't even opened their booths, and it's pretty crowded already. It's going to be pretty amazing once we get going. Oh look, this is a place to sit down. Lots of chairs. Lots and lots of chairs. Interesting how big modules are getting. 500 watts is your sort of standard module. I guess it's mainly because of the utility market, which is dominating the manufacture of solar panels. Now we're going over to the side here, which is where the little booths are, but sometimes the little booths have the really interesting stuff too. It's wow. I think that's it's opening time. And look, solar panel washing over here. So that's washing solar panels automatically with irrigation systems. Wow, it is so loud here. It's unbelievable. I don't know how you have a conversation at your booth. It must be pretty challenging. The Seraphim. It is Seraphim. Seraphim, well known in Australia. Wow, check out the size of the module. 680 watts. Check this one out here. Wow. I thought I'd seen everything. 680 watts. We've got something for everyone. It's the 580 watt. And what do you know? We've even got the tiny 415 watt panels. Oh my God, there's a 720 watt panel. I've never seen something so big. That is amazing. Check it out. 720 watts. That's way bigger than me. Oh, there's tiles. And back to JA Solar. So I've done a bit of a lap of just one of 2,615 booths, I think, at last count. Can you believe it? Over 2,500 booths, and they are enormous. This place is just insane in terms of scale. See if I can find a way out of here. I might go this way. So we've got more. I got to remember to walk on the right. Okay. Well, everyone's doing massive panels. 660 watt, 550 watt. And I think it's time to go out the door. Oh my God. And there's Alpha ESS. I've spotted them. Right, I found one of my friends. Well, there's so many friends here, but yep, Alpha ESS, can't miss them. They're right here in N3. So I might say hi and come back to them for an interview later on. But yeah, Alpha ESS, good to see them. Right, in we go, and there they are. Wow, it's the team from Alpha. Wonder if I can see a friendly face. One of the people here at Alpha. Maybe they know me. Don't know if I know some of these people, but you in Australia know Alpha ESS well. They've been one of the longest players in the Australian market. Hey! Wow, this one's open. This one's more easy to look around. Wow! Build low carbon city together. Isn't that beautiful? Now I wonder if I'm going to bump into anyone I know. It's pretty fun. I think I'm the only person with a silly selfie stick in the whole room, but you know, that's what you do. Put up a stick and walk about and everyone looks at you, especially with the gold chain, gets a bit of attention. BYD with the Blade battery here. Featured that in the last video I made in Australia, was at one of the expos, and they had the Blade battery there. Amazing design. Oh, Amphenol, we love their connectors. It really made connecting batteries at high voltage and high current much safer, especially with the lockable connection. That lockable connection is really excellent. It means that you've got a very safe and reliable connection onto the battery port that can't be unplugged with just a simple tug. You've got to actually know what you're doing. And there's Fox ESS. Hey, we're at Fox. My God, look, check it out. Check out Fox. They have an amazing array of battery systems. This is incredible. And they have a lot of people wearing white shirts and skirts. Hi. I wonder if I'll catch up with any of my friends from Fox. Let's have a look here. Fox is so big here. Hey, g'day. Hi. Wow, impressive. I'll be coming back to Fox in a bit to talk to them. So it's going to take a bit of organising getting to all these booths. I think I've got a list of about nearly 30 companies that I want to see over 3 days. So it's about 10 a day that I hope to get to and make a little interview. So here we're going down one of the back aisles, the quiet zones, where the smaller companies hang. But even just being a small company here is a bit of a big deal. And I can see my name up there. Is that Glenn? That kind of looks like my name. Oh yeah, look, Glenn Energy. Hey, 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 hey. That's my name. Look, there is a battery system named after me. That is so good. That is so good. That is so good. And there's Ryzen, another well-known brand in the Australian market. We all know Ryzen. And I can see, where are we? REPT. REPT look like make some big batteries. Big batteries are the thing. Everyone's doing these big cabinet solutions. Wonder what their deflagration strategies are. That's got to be a thing. Certainly if you're looking at the US standard NFPA 855, NFPA 855 is kind of the US safety standard for industrial applications of battery systems. So it's got it's not compulsory in the Australian market, but it's certainly best practice if you want to have a really high safety spec on your industrial battery systems. Yeah, it looks like big battery, big inverters really have come to play now. And we're coming up to another connector company, Phoenix Contacts. Of course, Phoenix, very popular on PV modules and inverters as a really easy connector to use. I love the fact, certainly from my experience, it's really no mistakes. Push the wire in, it locks, it clicks, you're good to go. So Phoenix really have come up with some very safe and confident ways of connecting PV modules to their cables, but it looks like they make a whole range of connectors. So we're just skipping past Phoenix at the moment, and we're going past Huawei. Now Huawei have an enormous stand. Huawei really is one of the most impressive companies in China when it comes to their background in the telecommunication industry, but now on the renewables front as well, bringing all that expertise about high reliability, high performance, modular electronics, whether it's a mobile phone, an inverter, or a battery system. So here we are with Huawei with their utility displays, some of their really big inverter systems, and wow, this is one big booth. It just goes on and on and on. Basically, it's the size of a pavilion itself. It's just incredible, the scale of some of these booths here. Wow, so I've been talking a lot, just walking around here, but I just keep going, wow, 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 wow. That's probably all I can say about the systems here. So I'm gonna try and head back, if I can find my way back. It's getting pretty busy, going back past my friends at Alpha ESS. Yay, shout out to Alpha.